Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set up GoKwik in Shopify. So, to do this, open any browser, go to the search bar and type in GoKwik Merchant Dashboard. Hit enter and it will show up this page. Here, click GoKwik Merchant Dashboard. Now, you will see this page where you're going to simply sign up using an account. So, basically complete the onboarding form with your store details, business information and contact details. You may need approval before activation. Now, after you do this, go to your Shopify admin, go to apps by clicking this add icon or click on this apps icon and search for GoKwik. So, navigate to your Shopify dashboard, log in using your user credentials, then click this add icon. Scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. Here, you're going to simply search for KWIK. Hit enter. Now, click Quick AI pop-up website CRO or any GoKwik app you want to install. Now, if that app will be compatible with your store, it will appear just right here. Click on install icon available and you can easily turn your website into a lead gen machine using AI pop-ups that shoppers love to drive high conversions with. Now, as you can see, this is available just right here, all the reviews, the pricing. You can simply click install the application and it will appear in your Shopify store where you can easily start using it quickly. Also, after installing, inside GoKwik dashboard, enable GoKwik checkout, COD verification if available, one-click checkout features, then follow the setup instructions provided in your dashboard. Make sure that your payment gateways, cash on delivery option, shipping rates are properly configured in Shopify, as GoKwik works alongside these settings. Place a test order from your store, confirm that GoKwik checkout flow appears correctly, and that order details sync properly in Shopify. So, final tip, GoKwik is commonly used to improve COD conversion and reduce RTO, that is return to origin. Always test both prepaid and COD flows before going live. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.